Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to work with the table in Excel, how to create like a real table and filtering and some information about table, and also we will explain how to manage the worksheet in cells, row, columns using from the home tab instead of just using the mouse. For example, we explained how to resize the cells, for example, just from here, how to add the new, for example, cells just from right click and insert. We can do that as well from here, from home tab also. So now, for example, I just try to make it just quickly solve this problem by the mouse. Just from here you can just resize the cell. You should go to the name of the column to resize the cell from the width, and here you should go to the name of the row 7 and you can resize it from here. But another way to do that, I can just make it return back again. Another way to do that, just from home tab, and you can go here in the format. We have format here, so in the format we can change the row height. So just click here the row height, because the row here has a high, so we can change it. So we can make it, for example, 50, and okay, now we change the row height, as well as we can change the column width from here. So you can select it, and I can make it 50 as well. So just okay, so I just change the size like this. Here you can add another thing. You can see, for example, I cannot see anything now here. I can just resize it now, so I cannot see anything. So you can just select that and go to format again. We have auto fit row height. So whenever I just select here, auto fit the height of the row. What I mean by that, so auto fit, which means you can see all the content inside the row. So here it is auto fit to the size of the row, so you can see everything. Here same thing, you can go here and auto fit column width, so auto fit to the department, so you can see all the content here, which is departments, just by auto fit. We can do many things like for example, insert a new cell. If I just add cells here, so here for example I need to add another cell, so you can just right click and insert to insert the cell here in order to add another cell, because I have already 6 here, the cell. So I need another cell to add another cell here. So you should shift the cell down, or the cells down. Here I have the 6. I need to shift the 6 down, for example, or shift the 6 in the right side and replace it with a new cell, right? So here just down, okay. Now you can see I create another one, a new cell, and shift the 6 and other cells down. I can just delete that now, just right click and delete from here. Okay, now you can again right click and insert, so you can shift cells right. So I can add another one here, replace 6 with other cell and shift all cells in the right. So here just okay. Now I shift the cells to the right and add a new one here. Now 6 in the right and 8 in the right, in this way. Or you can just control Z. From here you can do same thing. You can go just to insert, and we have here insert cells. So same thing, you can shift it to right or left or anywhere. Same thing here, you can add a new sheet row. For example, here I need to add row. The first way to do that, just select right click here and insert to add a row, right? Or to add a column, just here for example, right click and insert to add a column. But another way to do that is just go here, for example, anywhere, and just from insert sheet rows. So just select that, I add a row. Here I need to add a column as well, so just go to the insert and insert sheet column and add a new column. From here we can add another sheet, for example, insert sheet. Now I add another sheet here, or you can add it just from here. You can change the name of the sheet from here, or you can change it from format as well. Here you can see rename sheet, so you can add the name to the sheet here like this. Or we can do many things like from here hide and unhide the cells or row or anything from here. So we can hide the row or hide the column or hide the entire sheet. So just I can hide it here, so I hide entire sheet. or you can just again unhide the entire sheet. Just go here and unhide sheet. So now okay, which sheet I mean, this one. So just okay, now I see the sheet again. You can hide, for example, this one, this column. You can just right click from here and just press hide, or you can just from here hide the column. Now you can see IK, there is no J. And of course from here again you can unhide the cell. Sorry, you can unhide again the column. Unhide columns, so unhide again. So from here you can do anything. Insert, of course, same thing for delete. You can delete the cell if you want. You can delete the sheet row, you can delete the column, you can delete the entire row just from here. You can delete it from here. For example, this column, I can delete this column just from here, right click and delete. Or you can delete the row just from here, right click and delete. Or you can delete it just from here, same thing, delete row, like this. Again, for example, delete row, I delete it. So it's just like this, how to. Here, for example, you can see we have a clear. So here we have a format and the content as well, right? The content, which is departments, and the format is the colors, background color, is border and everything. Even the center now here is a format. The size of the cell or the size of the font here, a format called format. So everything. So now here if I select that and go to clear, you can see clear all, which means clear everything, delete or remove the format and the content as well. Or from here just to clear the formats, select that, I just clear all formats here. Can just Control Z to return back again. Here just to clear the contents, so just to clear the contents. Or you can go here and clear all, so I clear everything, the format and the contents as well. Now about table, I can create a new sheet here, for example. So you can create like a new table. For example, we have name, we have price, and it's just like a range, right? I just create, it's called range, not a table. I can just copy that, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. So now here I can make this like a table, just like a table. It's not a real table, just like a shape of the table. So here you can just add border, for example. I can make it everything in the middle. Here I can add like a header for this one. Fill color, change the fill color, change this as well, bold, for example. This is called a range, it's not like a table. Now here I need to create like a real table. So we have two ways to do that. The first one is to go to insert, select anywhere you have a data and can select anywhere, and then just go to insert, and here we have a table. So just select the table here, click the table, automatically detect that we have all this data, automatically surround this data or select this data here, the table. We just select here, but Excel can understand I need all this data here. Or you can select other things, so just from here, and I need just this, for example, and then click here again. Or now just I have this data, click here. Here my table has headers, so I need headers like this. Here I have headers, so just okay. Now automatically create a table like this. Here this table is very important because you can change the design of this table, you can change many configuration of this table. I mean what? For example, here if you just click here, you can see nothing here. There is no tabs here. But if you select here, you can find we have another tab or a new tab. It's called design. This design is called for here table tools, which means this design just for this table. So here just select anywhere in the table under the design, so you can find any design here. You can select, change the design like this, for example. Here you can delete the filter, remove the filters. Here it's called filters, those buttons. So you can remove that, or you can add it. You can remove the header at all, or you can add it. You can add a total row here automatically. Just add a total for the rows. Here you can change the name of the table, like you can make it a product, for example. You can as well change the size of the table. Here, for example, I need to add another row, so you can just add, for example, total. Just add this and enter, automatically add it to the table. Now it is like a table. Or another way to do that is just, just go here again, go to the design and resize table selected, and now just this our table, right? I need to add another column and another row as well. So just make it like this and okay. Now automatically add another row and another column. Control Z to return back. Now this table was the important in this table here. If we go to design, as I said, we can do all these things. And we have a filter here is very important. The filter, for example, the name. I can just add more data just for practicing. So you can just select everything and drag to autofill the data. Just repeat the data here. So just make it like this. So now, for example, I need just the data or just everything, just information or prices and number for names for just the B, the names B, the name B, not C, just B, not I or C or something. So here you can just go to filter and just make like a query here. I need just this data or just select this data. So just B, for example, just select B and deselect everything from here and then just select B, for example, and okay. Now here I can just find information about B. You can imagine if you have a very big table, for example, like 100 of students or employees or products, for example, or maybe 1000. So you can just from here, it's very difficult to find the product or to find the name. Everyone, for example, named Muhammad, or everyone, all products named mobile or Samsung. So if you have 1000, for example, of products, so here by just make like a select or just like a query. So just select anything you want, just deselect, and then I need just C and F. So just okay. Now I have just information about C and F. And of course you can clear the filter just from here again and clear the filter. Now the information is saved. This is about text. Here we have a numbers, a price, for example. So I need just the prices or the salary of employees is different. It depend on your table or on your data. So I need here, for example, just the salaries or just the prices between, for example, 10,000 and 1 million. 10,000 and 1 million. So I need just those data, just for those data. So here, just go here again in the filter, and here we have number filters, just a filtering for numbers. So here I can go here. So I need the data equal 1000, for example. If I need like this, just press equal. Does not equal, I mean, which means what? I mean all data, for example, or all prices except 1000, for example, that doesn't equal 1000. But now I need just between 10,000 and 1 million. So here just go to between and press here, right, 10,000, between 10,000 and 1 million, like this, and okay. Now I can find just the prices between 10,000 and 1 million. We have just two data here. For example, I need another thing. You can just clear that, and here again you can go filter. For example, just the prices or just the prices greater than 1 million. So just say go to greater than and just type. So I need just, or I need only the prices which is more than 1 million, greater than 1 million. So just okay. So now all this data here, all those prices here, it's just for data or just for prices greater than 1 million. From here, for example, again I can just filter that, clear the filter, sorry. I need just data less than 1 million, for example. Just go to less than and just 1 million and okay. Now for all prices here are less than 1 million. It's working like this. We can again just clear here. Now, as I said before, here it is not just a table, here just a range. There is no design, but here we have a design. It is a table. It is a table. Here we have, for example, we can another way I say to create a table. Just select the data here. I explained that from here. But another way is from home and just format as a table. So just select format as a table. You can select any format, for example this one, and just okay. Now I create this like a table. Now it is a table as well, like this here. Again, the table, you can just go to design. You can remove the duplicated in the table. For example, here in that we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and then again A, B, C, D, E, F. So there's many duplicates data. I repeated data, I mean. So here you need to remove the duplicates from here. So you can just select the table, go to design again, and remove duplicates. Select that. So here I need to remove the duplicates from where? From which column, I mean? The number column or the name or the price. Now I need for just the name, for example. So I just deselect number, deselect the price, and just select the name here. So I need to remove the duplicates just from name. So here, okay, and okay again. Now there is no duplicates data, just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Right? Here you can convert this table to the range, to the simple range, just like a range, like without design. So just here convert to range, and yes, do you want? Yes, of course. Enter. Now you can see if I select that, there is no design, which means just like a range. It's not like a table, not a real table. But here now it's a table. You can convert it to the range as well, just from here, and convert to range. And yes. So that's everything about table and how to work or how to manage the worksheet in the Excel. I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.